It could be you. That's right guys, it could be you. Today is giveaway day. What am I giving away? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, it could be you. Today is giveaway day, and what am I giving away? Well, it's this. This is the Digital Touch 8 from Dragon Touch, and it's a digital photo frame, and that's a lot of touches and a lot of digitals. But you know what? This is an Android based tablet kind of video photo frame, and it's pretty cool. I reviewed this probably about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I've been using it just to get to grips with how good it is. And you know what? I'm suitably impressed. I didn't think there would be any place for one of these in 2021 because we've got a whole bunch of tablets and computers and smart TVs and stuff like that where, you know what, we can display our media. But the thing is, we don't. So we take tons of photographs, we keep them on our phones or store them in the cloud or whatever. Sometimes we may get a notification to say, hey, what a great memory that was. But other than that, we very rarely go back and flick through all of our photographs, and we certainly don't print them out. I mean, professionals do, of course, but you know, us, the general public, we don't print our photographs out. So something like this, to capture your memories and to keep those memories, it's a pretty good idea. You don't want to keep your smart TV on all the time. You don't want to probably tie up your tablet, iPad, whatever you have, with just showing photographs. So these things are pretty inexpensive these days, and they are packed with tons of features. Like I said, this one is Android based, and it's got a ton of different connectivity options. It's touchscreen as well, so that's pretty cool. So you haven't got to, you know, fumble around with awkward menus. There are some menu buttons on it, but you don't need to use them particularly. It's all touch driven, you know, it's very, very intuitive because we're used to touching, swiping, flicking, pinching, zooming, whatever. And yeah, you can do all of that from this. So it comes also with a accompanying application for your mobile phone, so it could be iOS or it could be Android, and you know, you can take photographs directly from your phone or videos and upload them straight to the frame. There is a video that I made, like I said, the unboxing and my first impressions, and I'll put the card up there and you can take a look at that, which gives you a bit of an in-depth, you know, how you set it up, features, functions, my first impressions. But guys, today this is all about giving this away. So one of you lucky guys is going to win this. Please, all you need to do is subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, like the video, and also just leave me a comment as to why you think you should win this. I will then get my daughter to draw the lucky winner for this. That keeps me pretty impartial to it all, and I will probably announce that in the next sort of 4 or 5 days, just to get a few of you to, you know, give you the time, I guess, to do that. And yeah, then I should contact the lucky winner, and yeah, I will package it up and send it out. And that's all really I've got to say about it. It's a cool device. I'll also put a link in the description as to where you can buy it, because there is I think it's a 20% discount link. So if any of you really want one of these and don't win it, you could actually buy one. But other than that guys, you know, this was just a very, very quick giveaway video. So please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos and new giveaways. And guys, that's it. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens. Good luck to you all, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.